Hi class. Today in science, I can observe where plants and animals live. Where a plant and animal lives is called its habitat. It's where it lives and has shelter, just like you might live in a house or an apartment or somewhere else. That is kind of like your habitat. So different animals live in different habitats. Now I'm in my front yard, and you wouldn't expect to see a shark in my front yard, right? Because where do sharks live? Their habitat is the ocean. Their habitat is not where the grass or trees are. We're in the plains. Sharks live in the ocean. But you know what does live in a tree? Birds. So I know that some birds live in this tree and some squirrels. I see squirrels climb up this trunk, and I hear birds. They have their nests way up high here in this tree because they can fly, and trees are a good shelter for them. It keeps them safe. So I want you to look outside and see what animals and plants you see. What kinds of plants and animals do you see outside? I saw some birds. Maybe you saw birds. Maybe you saw squirrels. Maybe you saw rabbits. Now I want you to tell a family member, maybe your brother, sister, your mom or dad, or your grandma or grandpa, what animals you see and where you think they live and where you think they eat. I can tell my partner one animal and where they live and what they eat. Teach. Okay, after you've taught your partner your animal, where you think they live, and where you think they eat, now I want you to choose any animal. They don't have to live in the plains, like in the grass or the trees. Maybe the animal you're thinking of lives in the ocean, or maybe the animal you're thinking of lives in a forest where there's lots of trees all around, or maybe the animal you're thinking of lives in a desert where there's hardly any grass and it's really dry and hot. So when you draw your picture, this is what I want you to have. The animal you choose, what does it eat, and where does it live? Got it? Okay.